Today's agenda is to declutter and organize our entry closet and the entry. And this week I want to declutter the entry, the living room, and the home office. I think I'll be able to get the entry and the living room done. Not sure about the home office, but I don't think I have too much to get rid of in any of these three spaces, but I think I can knock those out this week. And I really just want to wrap up this decluttering project soon. I only have 5 more spaces total left, and 4 of them are actually not too bad, but the 5th one, the garage, I'm saving that one till last. That is the worst. The worst. You may have seen a sneak peek of our garage in my kitchen decluttering video when I was putting our air fryer in there. Yeah, it's a mess in there, but yeah, I should be able to knock these 3 spaces out this week. Then I'll just have the laundry room and the garage left. So enough talking, let's get into it, shall we? I know I have some stuff to get rid of here because we just got rid of our steam mop. More steam mop accessories. Here's everything that I am removing from the entryway. So we've got a bag of returns here. There's library books at the bottom that need to go back to the library, and then we've got our old internet box that needs to be returned to the internet store since we got a new one. Here are some clip rings for the living room. I'm just gonna relocate those probably to the garage in my decor bin for now until I'm ready to hang those. My husband's sandals need to be relocated to our bedroom since he's already got a pair down here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I don't know if I want to hang it back up or not. I might just end up using those Command mop and broom holders instead. This is a wall duster and cleaner. I don't like it. I thought it would help with the wall cleaning, but it's not as efficient as a rag and some bleach water, in my opinion. I got this several months ago, and it's just not the solution to our dirty walls. And these are the pads that go with it. And this pile here is just steam mop attachments and the steam mop pads. We recently had to throw our steam mop away because it was broken. The handle was broken for the longest time, and then it just recently started leaking. It was still working, like it would still do its job, but then it started leaking all over the place. So I'll probably trash this stuff. And that's that.